Hello everyone! Faith Da Silva here at nandito ako sa Kathy Valencia Skin Clinic sa Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. It's my first time here. It's so aesthetic. Ang ganda-ganda, ang liwalas ng everything. And I'm about to try their CV Skinny Drip. I'm so intrigued by this, so come with me para malaman natin kung ano ba talaga to. Drip room, here I come.
I'ma be on the next level. I'ma be rocking over that bass trap. I'ma be chilling with my mother crew. I'ma be making all them deals you wanna do.
Good morning, Doc. Magandang
Hi.
umaga, magandang araw, magandang gabi sa'yo. I'm so curious about this CV Skinny Drip. Ano ba ito and how does it work?
So, CV Skinny Drip is an IV therapy specially designed to burn fats and increase metabolism. So, kaya faster yung pag-burn mo ng calories.
Ito pa, Doc, another question. Ano naman yung difference ng CV Skinny Drip sa iba nating mga slimming treatments dito?
Speeds up the weight loss, pero it also helps you hydrate and become energized kasi it's packed with vitamins and amino acids.
Slimming na, healthy pa. Love it. Thank you, Doc.
Welcome!